This is like a little
awkward sound.
I know. Can you raise your leg?
Hey guys, so we're back. Antonius is back from his 2 weeks of hiatus, and we're doing a 50 Shades of Grey musical.
Yeah.
So we just realized that our song was really short.
So then it's you.
So Antonius in the last 10 minutes wrote an entire bass section.
So return, and Elizabeth goes, "Who the fuck write this?" And you go, "Every word is right exactly how I want it." Oh no, every word is right exactly how I want it feeling. She goes, "What about exemplify?" And you go, "Why we go to read this book?" This will be one very much speaking, so you can basically go,
Every girl should read this book.
I just hope that men don't get the wrong on this. Okay?
Cool.
Good?
Perfect.
Let's do this.
Awesome, let's do this.
And 50.
50 Shades of Grey, my new favorite book. Read fantasy right in front of me, I can read it while I cook. 50 Shades of Grey, how can I refuse?
Good, alright, perfect.
That was great. It's a good outtake in any case.
Hi, I'm Alexandria, and again, I am in a bathtub. Well, not bathtub. Well, I'm in a bathtub. I was in the shower at first.
Maybe one extra move you can try is to close the closet more. When you look to the side, try to close the closet
Trying to
more.
like grab onto closing like close.
Yeah. Okay, as one extra movement, yeah.
And again, we each get that fit and boom, right when you're on. Just,
Did I get it? Was I closer?
Yeah, but you were a bit hesitant. You
Okay.
had it, but you hesitated.
Okay.
So like 50 Shades of Grey.
Okay, gotcha. 50 Shades of Grey, I pray that no one realizes that I am loving it every bit. Oh, hope no one finds out I'm reading 50 Shades of Grey. I know I should be so ashamed of this, but I can't resist my poor wrist. Oh, I hope no one finds out I'm reading 50 Shades of Grey.
Every girl should read this book. No, it's not working.
A little harder. Don't be scared of yeah.
I keep missing it.